Hello, my dear students. Till now, we have completed three topics of Chapter 2 4 Fundamental Operations Addition, Subtraction, and Multiplication. Now, today we will start our day with an activity. That is, name of the activity is lattice multiplication. What is lattice multiplication? Lattice multiplication is a method of multiplying two numbers using a grid. What is its advantage? Its advantage is that the lattice method breaks the process of multiplication into smaller steps. Now here on that sheet we need to multiply 416 by 564. It means 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit number. So step 1 is you need to draw a 3 into 3 square grid. So see, you can see here on the picture, that is grid drawn square shaped, 3 along the horizontal side, 3 along vertical sides. And the next step is you need to divide each of these grid into 2 square grids. So it means total are 3, there will be 9 sub squares. So here divided into 9 parts, and these 9 parts, then you need to draw an oblique line. So you can see here I have drawn there oblique lines. So here you will draw oblique lines so that this square grid will be divided into 9 sub squares. So now next step is you need to write the digits of multiplicand along the top horizontal side. So here digits of the multiplicand written along the top horizontal side, and the digits of multiplier. So 564 is multiplier here. So you need to write the digits of multiplier, that is 564, along the right vertical side of the subsquare. So now see next. So next is you need to multiply each digits of the multiplicand with the 1 digits of the multiplier at a time. So first you will multiply this 5 with 6, then with 1, then with 4. So you need to multiply each digit of multiplicand with multiplier. So first you will multiply this 5 with 6. 5 6 the 30. So write 3 0. 30 is written. So next step is you need to multiply 5 by 1. So that is 5 1 digit. So you will write it as 0 5. 0 5. So next is 5 4s the 20. So 2 here, 0 here. 5 4s the 20. So you will write 20 in that square grid. So next multiplier is 6. So you will multiply this. So first 6 6 the 36. So 3 here, 6 there. Now 6 1s the 6. So 0 6. Now 6 4s the 24. 2 4. So now next need to multiply third multiplier with the multiplicand. So first multiply 4 by 6. 4 6 the 24. 2 4. 4 1s the 4. So 0 4. 4 4s the 16. 1 6. Now multiplication process is done. In the multiplication, simple multiplication, you have multiplied starting from 1's place. But in the lattice multiplication, that is the shortest method. Here the steps are being divided into smaller steps. You can start with any of the multiplier. So now you need to write the product by adding the sum. So here you will start from the extreme right position. So here is the 4. Long 4 is alone. So write here 4. Now add this 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 is written here. 1 carry to the next number. 1 carry to the next number. So now you can see there come 12, 2 here, 1 to the next number. So now here you will add carry over 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 6 here. 1 need to carry on the next. 1 you will carry over on the next. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 here. 1 need to carry over on the next digits. Clear? So now 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. So 3 is written here. So next is 2 alone. So 2 right here. So you will start writing from the left side. So write 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 4. So place commas according to Indian place value system. So that is 2,34,624. So its multiplication is 2,34,624. So this was an activity. So you can try it on your practice notebook. Now let us start new concept, that is division. Under division you will see division of one digit number, division of a number by one digit number, division by two digit number, then division by tens, hundred and thousand. Division by three digit number you will do in next class. Now in class 5 you will complete only these concepts. So now first you need to understand what is division. Actually, division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Group of things into equal parts. Suppose you have 4 candies and 2 friends. So you need to distribute it. So you will use division. So let us try to understand the concept of division through an activity. So suppose there are 16 balls of different color. So 4 colors given of balls, and there are 4 boxes. Number of balls are 16 and boxes are 4. So you need to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes. So there are 4 boxes. So you will keep these 4 boxes. You need to keep 16 balls. So in each box you will keep 4 balls. Clear? Because you divided 16 by 4. When you will divide 16 by 4 you will get 4. So in each box 4 balls kept. Clear? So here the concept of division is used. So now mathematical symbol you will use for division is this. This symbol is used for division. Now each part involved in a division equation has a special name. So first is dividend and divisor, then third is quotient. So what is dividend? The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. In the division process, which number you are dividing? That is called dividend. So here 18 is dividend. 18 is dividend. Now the divisor, the number by which dividend is being divided by is called divisor. That dividend 18 is divided by 3. So 3 is divisor here. Now the next term is quotient. The quotient is a result obtained in the division process. The result obtained, that is quotient. 18 is divided by 3. You got answer 6. Result is 6. So that 6 will be the quotient. Now let us see a new term, that is remainder in the division process. Remainder. When you are dividing dividend by divisor, whatever is the leftover after division is called remainder. The leftover after division is called remainder. So here 83 divided by 2, you will get the result 41. That is quotient. And the leftover will be 1. So 1, that is remainder. So let us try to understand the concept. Through division of a number by one digit number. So that is example number 13 on your book. So there is 72,894. You need to divide it by 8. You need to divide it by 8. So here 72,894 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So first write this number. Then you need to divide. So first write 72,894 written and 8 written as a divisor. So now you can see first you need to write the number. It should be equals to or less than the given number. So now see here 8 ones the 8. So 8 will be greater than 7. So you cannot write below 7. So here you will write 8 zeros the 0. 8 zeros the 0. So 0 here is written. Quotient is 0 and 0 is here written. So now you need to subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. So now 2 on thousands place you will bring it down. So that become 72. So now you know 8 nines are 72. So 72 is written. It is equal to the upper number. So written 72. So subtract 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So written here. So next on from hundreds place you will bring 8 down. So 008 is 8. You can write here alone 8 also. So 8 from hundreds place. So now 8 ones are 8. So there become 0, 9 first and next 8 ones are 8. So 1. So 8 written down. So now 8 minus 8 is 0. So 0 is written there. Next on tens place is 9. You will bring 9 down. Now next again 8 2s are 16 more than 9. So 8 ones are 8. You will write here 1. So this one. Write here 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So write here 1. So next is 1's place 4. Bring it down. That is 14. So you know 8 2s are 16. 16 is more than 14. You go with 8. 8 ones are 8. Again 1 came. Here 1 came. So here write 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So whatever is the left part, that is the remainder. So what is quotient here? 9111. 9111 is the quotient and the remainder is 6. Remainder is 6 here. Now you need to use the formula to check this question you have done correct or not. So here it will be dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you need to put the value of the right hand side digits and you need to solve. If it will be same as the number given in the dividend, so it means your sum is correct. So here the divisor is 8. Divisor is 8. Put their value 8. And the quotient you got is 9111. So written here quotient after multiplication sign plus remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. So plus 6. So first multiply 9111 by 8. After multiplication you will get 72,888. After multiplication you will get 72,888. Then plus 6. After addition you will get 72,894. 72,894. So 72,888 plus 6 is, it will be 72,894. This number is same as it was given in the dividend. Clear? So now it means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this means the sum is completed and you have done correct. Now in the next video you will see division of a number by 2-digit number and by the divisor tens, hundred and thousands. So now do your homework. Exercise 2.5 question number first A, D and C part you will solve on your fair notebook and others part you will see in the next video. So stay home,